Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear respected brother and sister, honorable guests, teacher and dear friends. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I stand before you with a heavy heart, not only as a student, but also as a refugee. But as a student who carry a dream, but whose dream tracks in behind a bamboo fence. Today I want to share with you that what it truly meant to be a student without a country. My camp, my classroom, my lost future, the ways of a dream. I am a student, a simple student, a statement for me. It carried the ways of a dream. That's slipping away. My name is Nur Kalam. I am one of the young many Rohingya who have lost their home but not their home for education. Yet that hope is present in here. To have no country is meant to have no future. And for a student like me, that means many education, my only path forward is a dead end. The camp is a prison, wall of bamboo, delicate of bureaucracy, our camp are made of bamboo and tarpaulin. They are not just shelter, they are walls that combine our potential, our physical representation of statelessness. We attend learning center, but they are not real school. We learn the basic, but there is no higher education, no diplomas, no certificate. What do I do with these learners when the world outside the camp does not recognize it? We learn reading and writing, but they are often not allowed to learn the history of the country that puts us on a language that would help us build a life. We are taught to read, but not to read the map of our future. There is no path from my bamboo classroom to a university. There is no graduation ceremony. Only the grim reality that my education will end here in the camp. I lost the freedom to be a child, the constant fear of violence from the gang and conflict. Means my very audience began when I leave my shelter. The camp is not a safe place to play, explore and dream. Dear brother and sister, before the violence I had dreamed. I want to be an engineer, I want to build a life here. But dream feel like a cruel job. How can be an engineer when I cannot even complete a proper high school education? This loss of ambition, this feeling of purposelessness is a silent killer. For many, the pressure to survive is stronger than the desire to learn. I have friends who have left their study to work carrying good, doing the odd job, just to help their family get by. They are not just losing their education, they are losing their youth. To be a stateless student is to be told that your life, your mind, your potential is of investment. Our life in a constant state of power. The world sees us as a problem to be managed, not as people with future to be built. This is not just my story. It is the story of my generation, what will be become if we are denied in education. We will be a generation with nothing but trauma, without the skills to rebuild our life or our community. This is a lost generation in the making, internationally. I didn't choose to be a stateless, I didn't choose to be a refugee. But I choose to fight for my right to an education. To the world leader and humanitarian organization, please don't let our education stop at the camp border. Give us access to formal education, reading, schooling, give us the tools to be a generation that can review just to survive. Please don't forget us, please don't forget a student, a child, a person is here. Behind this bamboo wall with a mind full of dreams and a heart full of hope. We ask for a country, but at first, we ask for a future. And our future starts with a classroom. My identity is not definitely defined by a camp, I hate it. But the knowledge I see it helps define it, help us find our future. Dear brother and sister, this is not my voice. It is the voice of every Rohingya child and every student living in the camp. We may be a stateless today, but we aren't voiceless, we are not voiceless. We may be great in the camp today, but our dream is still beyond the fence. Let us pray that one day we can live, dream, and live freely. May Allah bless us with the patience, strength and education. The true life that no one can take away. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Thank you everyone.